like a sons of Archie Barber boy. Wrists on 10, did it once again. I might never ever smoke a swish again. Bust down, roll his bench. That's my dealer. Orange face on it, got a nigga dancing through. I wonder how I feel to make $1 million off of music. The most underrated. Hey bitch, hand me that Uzi. 6 bands for the Chanel bag, she be swag. Balenciaga crop top, going crazy. Drop top, 2 bops and Mercedes. Bitch stop, don't play, gotta pay me. Yeah, baby. Going through the pain, barely see the game. When I came with the rap game. Healthy nigga, fast cars, weed smoke. Bad bitches, y'all got a bottle flock. She want a healthy nigga. She want a healthy nigga. Trap nigga, fast cars, weed smoke. Bad bitches, y'all got a bottle flock. She want a healthy nigga. She want a healthy nigga.
Hey, always on the job. Bentley at the miles. First I take my girl to yoga, then I take it to the spa. Bitch, I'm from Toronto when nobody switching sides. Gordon Ramsay in the kitchen when I'm whipping up a pie. I got 2 types of hoes, fried chickens and a salad. A stripper and a regular. I gotta keep it.
What's going on, everyone? It's the Armed Gardener, and today we are getting our first out-the-box review of something on the new official channel. This is the new Heckler & Co. MP5 chambered in 22 long rifle. Because I don't have $3 grand for their 9mm little pistol one. This, they made it a rifle. So this is not a pistol, this is a rifle. This is not a real suppressor, this is a Fox suppressor or a barrel shroud, technically I think. It's just fancy furniture. That sounds nice. But it's just fancy furniture put over the 16-inch barrel that makes it a rifle. So for those of you who don't know, I believe it's under the NFA. Well, the GCA, I think, defines certain firearms, and then some of them are regulated under the NFA. GCA being the Gun Control Act, NFA being the National Firearms Act. Don't remember when those came or were put into law. Hopefully I can throw those up right here. But, so, the actual one of these, so if it had the barrel right here, so that'd be about an 8-inch barrel with this telescoping, or just this stock, it doesn't necessarily have to be telescoping. This would be a short-barreled rifle, which they're not wrong. I do agree with them on that, but I just don't believe they have the right to regulate a short-barreled rifle. So, but yeah, so to avoid all that bullshit, they made it a 16-inch barrel, and to hide the ugly barrel extension, for those of you who've seen the PS90s from FN that are available in the US, it's a beautiful P90 that just has a fucking long-ass barrel for no good reason. Which, hey, bullet velocity, it's not the end of the world. So now I got a 16-inch barrel, so we got a little bit more velocity behind these 22s than if it were just a traditional 18-inch barrel. But yeah, so it is kind of dumb. It sucks with the rules, but hey, I feel like this is a happy medium. Plus, I mean, look at it. I mean, it's beautiful. I'm really happy. We got the bolt that locks up. I should show it on your side. So we got a bolt. So lock back in. That's interesting. Does this gun have like a final bolt hold open of some kind? Because it got stuck in the rear position. And like even even if I try and send the bolt home, the bolt isn't going past the mag well. But then it also stays open. Ah! There seems to be a mechanism in there that holds it open. Oh, that's awesome. It's got ambidextrous. Cool. So it's got ambidextrous safeties. Yeah. And then telescoping stuff. Adjustable sights. Alright, so you can only spin it, what is that? Counterclockwise. So it's got the changeable optic for different ranges. I don't know why you wouldn't just keep it on that one, but I guess it's not more accurate. It's about having the elevation for the range that it's at, but whatever. I can't say that I love this one, this front grip, because you can't really put any fun stuff on it, but it does have a nice grip. It does have a nice feel to it. I mean, like I say, I don't love how the safety almost like hits your hand, but it is conducive for it. So, yeah, so that pushes it up easy, and then your thumb's right in a good position. It's a little weighty though. More than 5 pounds, less than 10 pounds. I don't know the exact weight. The mag is kind of hard to get in. It's not very satisfying. But the mag release, that's pretty satisfying. Like, it doesn't feel like it's in, even though it's in. Like, you never really feel a tactile. You don't always feel. That time it was definitely more tactile. It's not a rock-in. It's just that you gotta angle it and go straight in, right? Sorry, half of this is me talking to me, reassuring that I know what the fuck I'm talking about. Very basic review for now. I mean, I'm not the biggest fan of this stock because it's kind of annoying to manipulate. You can't manipulate it one-handed. You can open it one-handed, but to close it, you really gotta. Because for me, just with my small hands, you can see I'm really stretching, so I really gotta hold it sideways, and then it's a whole extra thing. Opening it, not bad at all. Closing it though, I guess that's not too bad doing it like that. So, little tap down in here, push it in, pull it out, which I really love that. Oh! So you got your mag release right there. And also, got a button release right here. There you go. So you got a button right there. Yeah, there you go. You're taking it in and out a handful of times. It's got much more tactile response now. Ah! Yeah, fucking funny about that. You don't hold it low, I guess. So it comes with one mag. So that is the new 2023 Heckler & Koch MP5 chambered in .22 long rifle. Obviously, I haven't shot it yet. We're gonna cut to go into the range, but I also don't. Is there? I'm sure there's a way to take this down. I don't even know if I don't even know if I want to know. Future arm gardener here. So did a little reading, and I do know how to break it down now. So it's honestly kind of AR style. You've got 2 retaining pins, one up here just by the mag release, just in front of the trigger, and one back here that holds the entire rear assembly together. So it's got this tiny little pin in here. I don't know if you can see that, but you have to push this pin in, and then you can push the rest of the pin in. So let's see, I just grab something off the table. Yeah, just like an AR. Ooh, well, unlike an AR, the whole pin pops out, so be careful, don't lose that. And then, I think I was supposed to open this first, and that comes off, and then it opens up. Now, it says you can disassemble it more. You can see all the springs and everything in there, bolt carrier group and such. You can disassemble it past this point, but in the booklet it says it voids the warranty. So for now, I'm just gonna leave it together, but you got one more pin, same thing. It's got that tiny little spring retaining bit. And yeah, close this back up. Rear goes back on. So it's supposed to go forward. Nope. And then, nope, other way. Boom. Go back in and boop. So I bought this today for $541, and you know what? HK slap, it's worth it. Fun 22 pieces are, they're fun for plinking. They're good for range with the homies because it's just, you pull out something cool looking and then you get to blast a bunch of shit with it and it doesn't cost a fuck ton of money. Yeah. A $500-ish HK slap. I'd say for at least that much, it's worth it. I hope y'all have a great day. Pull it back, lock it up, smack her down, and now let's go ahead and give that trigger a ghost. I don't love it, don't hate it, but shitty plastic trigger. Yeah, so hit a wall right there. And, yeah, I mean, it's pretty short to the wall. So hitting that wall, and then as soon as you push through it, it just goes straight through. And that is that. Fun little range piece. Absolutely love it. Quiet as hell. Love the barrel. Super accurate. Don't necessarily love the trigger, but I mean, it's a nice shape. I just wish it wasn't plastic. Safeties are dope. Mag release button and tab. Collapsing stock. I'd say a solid 9 out of 10. Don't love the trigger, but for $500, you really can't go wrong. This is really a really fun range piece. Pew, pew, pew. Yeah, thank y'all for watching. Like, subscribe, and shoot a comment if you feel like I missed anything.